guys, it's Michelle, and today we're here at Galleria Marchetti at our From the Heart workshop. This particular workshop, we have not one, but two styled shoots with two bride and groom models in each. Our first styled shoot is more of a bohemian vibe, kind of has a little bit of a Moroccan feel also, but it's really warm colors and just a really interesting feel. The other styled shoot we're calling Springtime Elegance. It's a little more sparkly, has some pastel-y colors, but really, really gorgeous wedding gown involved in that one, which is actually like $20,000. So I'm so excited. To say a special thank you to all of our vendors involved. There were so many moving pieces a part of our styled shoots that I definitely could not have done it without all of them. If you'd like more information about our From the Heart workshops, feel free to check out our workshop website at www.fromtheheartworkshop.com.